Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. Many women want hairstyles that are easy to manage, stylish and comfortable for everyday life. The good news is that there are many beautiful haircuts that look elegant without needing too much time or styling. So if you are looking for a fresh and simple hairstyle, this video is for you. Let's begin. First, let's talk about classic short bob haircut. The bob is one of the best low maintenance hairstyles for women over 50. It looks neat, modern and elegant. A short bob is easy to wash and style, and it works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. This haircut also helps the hair look fuller and healthier. Another great option is the pixie cut. The pixie cut is very short and easy to care for. Many women love it because it saves time every morning. You do not need a lot of styling products and it still looks fashionable and fresh. A pixie cut can also highlight facial features beautifully. Layered haircuts are also very popular. Soft layers give movement and shape to the hair without much effort. Layers can make thin hair look thicker and lighter. This style works especially well for women who want a natural and relaxed look. Shoulder length haircut are another easy choice. This style gives you enough length for different hairstyles while still being simple to manage. You can leave it natural, tie it back, or add soft waves for a more elegant appearance. Shoulder length hair looks soft and feminine at any age. For women with curly hair, natural curly cuts are perfect. Keeping curls in a natural shape can reduce styling. Grey hair also becoming more fashionable. Many women over 50 are embarrassing their natural grey hair and choosing simple haircuts that look classy and modern. A silver bob or soft layered grey haircut can look very elegant and confident. Bangs can also change your look in a simple way. Soft side bangs or curtain bangs can make the face look younger and fresher. They also blend nicely with short and medium hairstyles. When choosing a low maintenance haircut, comfort is very important. Pick a hairstyle that matches your lifestyle and hair texture. A haircut should make you feel confident and happy and not stressed or uncomfortable. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.